Hi, my name is Mohammed. This is a simple campus project between two nodes. PEC 18F 258, transceivers, power indicators, 8 MHz crystals, reset push buttons, sending once push buttons, LEDs, which you receive Z1 over Z campus. In that project, simply, if we press that push button, one will be sent through the campus and this node will receive it. And as a result, this LED will be on for a small duration of time. And when this LED on, echo pack will be sent again over the campus to this node. And this LED will blink 5 times. And same for this node. Let's try to test. We will now press that push button. On, echo pack, blinking 5 times. Okay, let's try here. On, blinking 5 times. Now let's test arbitration. In arbitration, if the two nodes try to send over the campus, who will win? Let's see. Simply the result, if two nodes try to send, only one will win. Only one will take the campus and the other node will switch its case from master to be slave to receive the master data. Let's try to concentrate in that, please. We will now press the 2 push buttons and see who will win. This on, meaning this win. And now flipping. Now flipping again. Now flipping again. And so on. This is arbitration. Thank you very much.